Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today we are live swatching Colorist Carol's Squishy Brites. So if you love live swatches, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And we are actually still using the polishes that came out last year. So if you missed out on these, here's your second chance to grab them. And we are going to start out with the lovely Snowanna. So this is going to be $11.50 per bottle, and I'm showing that Snowanna is described as a bright cyan blue jelly with shifting chameleon flakes, and they shift from gold to green, orange to pink. So this whole collection by itself is $105, and it is available right now on the site. I know that in my viewfinder it is coming out like bluish green, but trust, Snowanna is definitely blue. So we are going in with our next polish. This one is Starlight. Starlight is also $11.50, and this one is described as a bright turquoise jelly with shifting chameleon flakes, again, gold, green, orange, red, yellow. So what I am most loving about this collection is the fact that all of these are like turned up, vibrant, bright, but they're not quite in the neon phase. So if you're not a fan of neons, you can do this collection and still feel comfortable. So next up is Lucky. I put the label of the name on here because I don't have the label on my bottle. So I did want you guys to still know the name of the polish just in case this one is your jam. And Lucky is described as a bright apple green jelly with shifting chameleon flakes, blue, gold, pink, purple, and yellow. And I think I'm so excited about this one because I love green apples. And so the fact that it's like an apple green really appealed to me. Next up is, of course, a yellow. You are not going to want to miss this one. This is Spark, and Spark is described as a bright yellow jelly with shifting chameleon flakes, gold, green, orange to pink. I love, 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 love this one. It just put me in such a good mood. Like, I really, really am feeling a Skittle Manny with these. And I know we're doing spring Skittle Mannies right now on Instagram, but I could totally do a summer one with these because they are just so much fun. I love jelly bases for the fact that you get all the vibrancy, not all the opacity, and that allows flakes like these to really shine through. And of course, I just did 4 different polishes, so here they are side by side. I am extremely disappointed in my camera that it didn't do a better job of differentiating between Starlight and Snowanna. So, Lasai, at least they look different in the swatch photos. Thank goodness for swatch photos, because sometimes my camera is not my friend. But it's okay because we are going into more shades. This one is called OJ, and it is a bright orange jelly with shifting chameleon flakes, gold to green, orange, red, and yellow. And I am so excited because I feel like it would make a fantastic Halloween polish as much as it makes an awesome summer bright orange. And I do want to say that it does come up a little more red leaning in both my camera, well, mostly in my camera still. It looks more true to color in the live action version. So that is what you're going to be looking more so at. But I did want to get on to Caramelo because I think this one might be my favorite. It's like a neon red. And I know I said this isn't a neon collection, but in the traditional sense, it's mostly just brights. but they are hyper vivid brights. So anyway, Caramello, a bright corally pink jelly with shifting chameleon flakes, blue to gold to pink to purple to yellow. And I just can't get enough of it. It is leaning more red in my viewfinder. It's actually more coral in person. So I did want to let you guys know that. I didn't want anybody to grab it thinking that they're getting a reddish pink when it's really more of a coral. But we do have some pinks for the pink fans, and I gotta say that Tickled Pink really did get me, and I do have it again on the screen because I didn't have the label for it. So Tickle Pink is described as a bright bubblegum pink jelly with shifting chameleon flakes in gold to green, orange to pink. And I think it is certifiable right now that I am in love with bright pinks. Like, I think it started last year, and then from then on, the brighter the pink, the more I want it, the more I want to wear it. And I just can't get enough. So, of course, so purples are hard to do in bright, but I feel like Coloristic Hero did a great job of it. It is coming up a little more pink purple than it actually is in person on my viewfinder. On my viewfinder, it is not showing how rich it actually is because it's a rich purple. But it's described as a bright purple jelly polish with shifting chameleon flakes, gold to green, orange to pink. And I thought Stormy was pretty awesome in my opinion. I don't know why, like the live version in my camera has turned it up to like a perp pink, and it's totally not. It's more like a pinky grape. So, but it seems to be okay when I put it next to pinks. I don't know what happened, but you can totally see in this picture where they're all together how they actually look. I'm happy, I'm pleased that at least in this instance my camera got it all correct, and I am just wearing them in two coats on these full hand things where I show them with a top coat. I am going to speak on top coat in just a moment, but first we're going to go over description and everything. This is Champ, and Champ is described as a bright electric blue jelly with shifting chameleon flakes, blue to gold to pink to purple to yellow. So these are absolutely astoundingly gorgeous as you're applying them. They do dry matte. So if you do like your jellies with flakies in matte, go ahead and just apply a matte top coat. I swear, still gonna look amazing. But if you really want to get the maximum, the most out of these polishes, use a glossy top coat. I promise it is some of the most stunning manis you will ever have. And we are getting into our last in the collection. This is Verde Verde, and this one is described as a bright clover green jelly with a shifting chameleon flakes in gold, green, orange to pink. So, of course, in my swatch photos, I am wearing a glossy top coat because I just wanted all of that jelly goodness to show off. And I am so over the moon about this collection. I can't believe I didn't get it last year. I must have been broke because I can't see of any reason why I wouldn't have grabbed some of these. And then I put them side by side so that you guys could see them. And that is literally the end of the video because these are online right now. And if you put in my code Manicentric, I'll have it down below for you guys as well. You'll save 10% off. There's no commission or anything. It's just another way that Coloristic Hero wants to say Thank you for your business. So, if you're part of my mail fam, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, I appreciate you watching this video. And if you enjoyed it, leave me a like down below and don't forget to subscribe. As always, take care of yourselves and each other, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!